Okay, thank you very much, Gemma. And rare genetic diseases affect 1 in 12 Canadians and are responsible for 35% of infant deaths. The Genetic Jungle Run, happening next weekend, raises money for genetic research at the Alberta Children's Hospital. And joining me this morning is Chelsea Schuster, one of the organizers of this event. Tell me, first of all, a little bit, you're involved with the Rare Genomics Institute, UCalgary chapter. What do you guys do there?
So we're a club. We're founded 2 years ago, and we were the first club, actually, university club in Canada to raise money for rare genetic diseases. So when the founder approached me and asked me to join, I was so excited. And basically what we've been doing is just hosting little events at the university and trying to raise money to donate to the Alberta Children's Hospital.
Absolutely. So what kind of diseases are we talking about here?
So Naegeli syndrome is one, and I know that you know a little bit about that with Hannah being on the show. Which
yeah, I think we have a video of her here that we can bring up. We met her 2 years ago. Maybe you can tell us a little bit more about her story.
Okay, so the Richardson family, Ronalyn Richardson is the mother and Hannah is the daughter. And Hannah has, she's been going to the Alberta Children's Hospital since she was born. And she has a disease called Naegeli syndrome, and Dr. Bernier not only diagnosed her, but he actually sequenced her genome and found the gene that was responsible for this disease. So it was a huge success. And the Richardson family organized the Genetic Jungle Run the first time a few years ago, and so we've kind of taken that on.
And so Hannah's doing well. She couldn't join us today, but very cool. And so tell me a little bit, Genetic Jungle Run going on next weekend. What exactly does that entail? Are we going through an obstacle course here? Or?
No, so the reason why it's called the Genetic Jungle Run actually is because when Dr. Bernier was describing the complicated genetics behind Hannah's disorder to Ronalyn just looked at him and she was like, wow, it's a jungle in there. Just to find a single gene in this entanglement of DNA, it's really incredible, and that's why we call it the Genetic Jungle Run.
I can't imagine the stuff that these researchers go through and they do to try and discover some of this incredible work, incredible fundraising on your guys' part. We're told Linda Olson also going to be participating in the Jungle Run.
Yeah, she signed up for the 10-kilometer run. So
awesome. Our 6 o'clock anchor also taking part. And again, fun run that comes up next weekend. And for more information, people can check out the Jungle Run on Facebook, is that right?
Yeah, just facebook.com/the Genetic Jungle Run.
All right, we'll also get a link up on our website, globalnews.ca/Calgary. Well, coming up in our news, we know this reality.